so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today, you and I are gonna draw a house or a home. Whoa, a house is a place where people live. And sometimes those people, that family, they might even have pets live in that house too. All right, I'm gonna use a brown marker and I'm gonna draw a square, just like this. Whoa, what a great square. Now I'm gonna draw a triangle on top. Whoop, there we go. Whoa, square with a triangle. And then I'm gonna draw some more squares for the windows so then the people can look outside. Wow, look at that. I drew a square and I made a plus symbol and made 4 squares because of that. Okay, there we go. Here's another one. Wow, and I'm gonna do a door and I'm gonna do an arched line just like that with a door handle. Whoa, and this house, actually, I'm gonna make sure has a front yard with grass. Whoa, green grass. It must be spring or summer. Well, I sure do love drawing, and if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning